Have you ever wondered how life begins? It began from just one tiny cell, the trillions of cells working to make an organism. We will try to find a hidden secret in the world of biology. Get ready to be amazed because we are going to the microscopic world. Without any delay, let's start with today's video titled The Cell. Cell of the same kind join together to form tissue. Tissue together form an organ. The organ together form organ system. Cell is the basic unit of life. It is the structure which help in function of life. It has two types on the basis of structure of cell are prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Cell is very small in size. It cannot be seen with our naked eye. That is why to study the cell we need an instrument called microscope. A British scientist Robert Hooke was first to discover the cell in 1665. He drew sketches of this cell in his book Micrographia. Later on, Dutch scientist Anton van Leeuwenhoek first observed living cell like bacteria, protozoa, red blood cell of fish, nerve cell, etc. under a much improved microscope. Two German scientists M. Seliden and T. Schwann expressed their idea about plant and animal cell. Their ideas were combined together according to their view and cell theory was made. This theory said that all living organisms are made of one or more than one cell. The cell is a structural and functional unit of all living beings. All cells originate from division of pre-existing cell. The last point of the cell was actually added by another scientist, Rudolf Virchow. There are two types of organism are unicellular and multicellular organism. The organism which is made up of only one single cell is called unicellular organism. The single cell perform all functions like respiration, excretion, etc. Yeast, amoeba, bacteria are example of unicellular organism. Organism which are made up of more than one cell is called multicellular organism. Has different types of cell for different function. Number of cell in an organism vary to its size. Fungi, plant, human are example of multicellular organism. A cell has large variation in shape. The shape of the cell help to relate its function. We can also say that different shape of cell is because of its function. Like the shapes, the size of the cell also vary. Majority of cells are very small and microscopic. The size of the cell is measured in micrometer. It expressed as UM. 1 UM is equal to 0.001 millimeter.